Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode corporate filings. Today we're diving into a report from Garmin, and let me tell you, it's a bit like finding out your GPS took you on a detour, but maybe on purpose, we'll see. Garmin just released an update, a corrected version actually, of a report about their first quarter financial results. Someone made a mistake and the company had to correct it, but more importantly, how is the GPS and smartwatch giant doing? Let's find out. So this whole thing is an amendment, meaning a correction to a previous report. Garmin found a small error. They tagged the wrong item number, so they're refiling it to make sure everything is accurate. It's like realizing you wore mismatched socks to an important meeting. Luckily, it's just a technicality and we can move on to the real meat of the report. Here we have the juicy details about how Garmin performed. They issued a press release about their financial results for the first quarter of the year, which ended in March. We're going to dig into that press release to see what it tells us. It's important to remember that this information is being furnished, not filed. What that means is that while it's being provided to the Securities and Exchange Commission, it's not held to the same strict legal standards as some other documents. This is where we find the actual documents that support the report. In this case, we're most interested in Exhibit 99.1, which is the press release itself. The exhibit section lists the press release as the main source of information about Garmin's first quarter performance. The company also adds cover pages for compliance. It's all standard. Let's scroll to the financial statement. Okay, here are the numbers that everyone wants to see. The net sales numbers broken down by product categories. This tells us where Garmin is making their money. Let's take a closer look at each category. First up, fitness. This includes things like smartwatches and fitness trackers. We'll see how this segment performed. Next, we have outdoor, which covers their adventure watches, handheld GPS devices, and related products. These are for hikers, campers, and other outdoor enthusiasts. The aviation segment includes GPS navigation and other electronic systems for aircraft. This is a higher end market. Marine covers chart plotters, fish finders, and other electronics for boats and watercraft. And finally, we have the auto segment. This is their traditional automotive GPS business activity now. Let's see the big picture and compare these numbers to last year to see if Garmin is doing well or struggling in these different markets. Keep in mind that what we are looking at is only for the first 3 months of the year. Alright, in the fitness segment, net sales decreased 23% in the first quarter, and outdoor grew 15%, aviation grew 20%, and marine grew 23%. Finally, the auto segment decreased 17%, so we can see the business is mixed, some areas going down, some going up. That means that there are things Garmin is doing well and things it can improve. Now, looking at these results more broadly, Garmin appears to be navigating a mixed landscape. They're experiencing strong growth in the aviation and marine sectors, indicating a successful strategy in these specialized markets. The outdoor segment is also showing a healthy increase, suggesting sustained demand for their adventure-focused products. However, the fitness and auto segments are facing declines. A 23% drop in fitness sales could signal increased competition in the smartwatch and fitness tracker market, or perhaps a need for Garmin to innovate and refresh its product line. The 17% decrease in auto sales might reflect the ongoing shift towards integrated navigation systems in cars, reducing the demand for standalone GPS devices. Overall, Garmin's diversified portfolio is helping to cushion the impact of weaker performance in some areas. Their investments in aviation and marine are paying off, but they need to address the challenges in fitness and auto to ensure balanced growth. Thanks for watching. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more corporate decoding. Let me know what company you want me to cover next.